Wow, it's only the beginning of the day, yet you've already made $250. You have another $250 in your pocket after a few hours. Payment alerts continue to arrive on a regular basis. This is something that I, as well as many others who know how to generate money online, have gone through. This procedure is known only by a few people. I'll share it with you because you're a loyal subscriber, so that you can achieve the level of achievement and lifestyle that you truly deserve. This method is absolutely free, so you won't have to spend any money on it. To make money, all you need is a smartphone or a computer with internet access. Now, we'll need to use something that has something to do with Microsoft Word. We're dealing with an odd method here, but believe me when I say it's really simple even for complete newbies with no prior experience or particular talents. Yet, pay close attention because this is quite detailed. It is, however, not difficult. This is something that will help you save money, so stay tuned till the end of our video. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal Cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal Cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then, like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So, watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal Cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. Before you do anything, think about this. Please visit HireSign.com for further information. On this website, you can find a variety of online jobs that will allow you to work from home and earn a lot of money. I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word to earn paid bucks every day. So, take a look at this website for work from home options online. You do not have to pay anything to register. To get started, you don't have to pay. This opportunity is available to everyone from anywhere in the world. On a daily basis, you'll be paid using your preferred way. There are a variety of online things that you may have to perform to earn money online, including typing, proofreading, and paid surveys as illustrated below. All we have to do now is scroll down to find graphic design, PowerPoint presentations, and spreadsheet jobs, as well as a variety of other opportunities to earn money. In this video, I'll teach you how to save a ton of time while also demonstrating the best way to profit from it is to devote all of your energy into it. It's now time to get down to business with proofreading. Their remuneration ranges from $5 to $10 each page of the document according to this. All that's left is to double check the spelling and look for any grammatical errors. Do you think your knowledge of the English language is poor? Don't be alarmed, it's not an issue. You are under no obligation to talk to anyone. No prior experience is required for this role, and I'll show you an actual job that I'm working on in a moment. This section is broken up in 2 pages, so in this case, they'll pay you $10 a page for this 2-page document for a total of $20. You can repeat this process. When you click on this link, you'll be sent to a page where you can apply to work as an online virtual proofreader, so do not be alarmed. It's a lot less difficult than you may imagine. At the end of this video, I'll show you some free tools that you may use to automate your work. Make certain you stay long enough to discover what they are. This website is one of my favorites since when compared to other websites that do the same type of work, they pay very reasonable fees. At $10 per page, it's a steal. They also feature flexible hours, which is a benefit because you can choose how much or how little you work and do so from the comfort of your own home. All you need is an internet connection and a smartphone or computer to get started. Now, I'll teach you how to sign up for a 100% free account. Also, the demolition process is a little tricky, so be careful not to make any mistakes. The application procedure can be found by scrolling down this page, and submission is entirely free. All you gotta do now is click the button below to apply to work as an online proofreader. You'll be directed to this page as a result of this action. You can see them all. By scrolling down below, you'll be sent to this page where you're required to submit a job application. The submission guidelines can be obtained by clicking on this link right now. If you scroll down a little further, you'll notice a button that reads Advance to Application. Simply click on that option and follow the steps. Then, you'll be sent to the online application form for the higher level position. This is when things can get a little bit complicated. You're welcome to rewind and re-watch the procedure. As a result, you won't miss anything crucial. This application form is available for viewing, and if you take a look around right now, you'll notice that you'll be asked a series of questions that you'll need to answer correctly in order to be accepted and start earning money. I'll walk you through every step of the way, step by step. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. They're asking you to log in your first and last name, age, and email address right here. They ask you for your login password and ask you to confirm it. In the next section, make sure that you choose the right way, because you'll be chosen within 24 hours. If you do it that way, once that happens, you can immediately begin working on the jobs listed here and you can start earning money. So the petition you're interested in is the following question. You should choose a proofreading job because it pays well and requires the use of Microsoft Word. After that, simply choose your home nation. Remember that you can access this from anywhere on the earth. Finally, under your current job status, choose freelancer. This is critical since your chances of becoming a freelancer are much better than the others. Let me now illustrate how to create this brief properly. Self-introduction part, something along these lines could be a good place to start. Hello, my name is, and then type your name. I'm extremely interested in applying for this proofreading position at HireSign, and I'm very open to obtaining other work offers. After you finish reading that, simply click on this box, then the blue register button, and that's it. Within 24 hours, you should be accepted and eligible to join HireSign.com. You can also start receiving files to work on and earn money online as soon as possible. This Microsoft Word in our sample is 2 pages and will pay you $20. As a result, you'll be able to complete 10 projects in under an hour. If you keep continuing at this rate, an hour's work will cost you $200. Take a look around and see what's going on. You see, you're given a Microsoft Word document that has a number of grammatical and spelling errors. Microsoft Word, on the other hand, will automatically discover them. Several words and phrases have colored underlining, as you can see. With a single button press, you may right-click and have them quickly corrected. It's as simple as that. All you have to do now is read the entire document for colored underlines, then right-click on the errors and get them corrected. That's something you can do over and over again using autocorrect. Let me now show you another piece of software that will make everything you need to accomplish with the assignment a whole lot easier. Simply go to google.com and type in reverse speller, a spelling checker. Simply copy and paste the material from the document you're working on into this column, then verify everything using this yellow button to see if there are any grammatical or spelling issues. All of this can be done with a single mouse click. What a straightforward action. You can do that over and over again. Return to the document, select the text, and double-check the grammar and spelling with reverse speller. And that's it. You can make money online so easily with this method. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below, and we'll see you again next time.